अब हामी आइसकेका छौँ टिचिङ हाम्रो फर्स्ट डे अफ ट्रेनिङ चाहिँ यहाँबाट स्टार्ट हुन्छ अनि आज हामीसँग नयाँ मान्छे हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ टिचिङ हस्पिटलको लागि चाहिँ पहिला भलैसँग चाहिँ लास्ट टाइम हाम्रो You always tease me. So boss,
Yes.
you're excited?
On est arrivé mieux.
Yes.
Et là, c'est toutes des pharmacies autour.
Okay.
Là,
Is entrance of teaching hospital. यस्तो छ भने
Perfect.
पर्फेक्ट यताबाट चाहिँ मनमोहन सेन्टर जान्छ अनि यताबाट चाहिँ Thank you. Filming up. Edit day first. Someone is videographing, someone is photographing. Silpa. मैं आई पूरा एक्साइटेड भइरहेछ सुरेश वाग्ले मेमोरियल भवन चाहिँ यहाँ छ लिफ्ट चढेर फेरि भर्याङ झर्ने अडिटोरियम खोज्दा खोज्दा यहाँ अब यहाँबाट नि फेरि हामी माथि जान्छौँ कन्स्ट्रक्सन भएको भन्दा पनि माथि रहेछ सो हामी चाहिँ अहिले क्लासरुममा आइपुग्यौँ क्लासरुम खुल्न बाँकी छ क्लासरुम फेरि चेन्ज भयो उता तल अर्कै पुरानो बिल्डिङमा भन्नुभयो त्यही भएर हामी फेरि जाँदैछौँ गोइङ ब्याक लिफ्टमा आएको है उहाँ त डक्टर लोकराजको साथी हो नि अब चाहिँ यहाँ हाम्रो क्लासरुम
today for the start of the third sensory motor development workshop, and we would like to welcome Professor Stefan and Roxanne. Yeah, Roxanne, and then Mihai, yeah. तपाईँहरूको नाम मैले बिर्सेँ सरी and staff Sunita and
Silpa
sorry, I'm very bad with names. I blame it on my gray hair, okay? But thank you for coming and taking out your time and coming here again, and I'm sorry about the mix-up in the morning. And so this time we had the same group of resident professors, so we thought that maybe the residents don't need to sit in the classes this time. Maybe the last day is usually quite helpful, you know. The last day when you show the videos and
afternoon.
Yeah, the afternoon. So maybe the residents can join then, and there will be some residents when you're doing the interaction with the staff as well. So maybe they'll pick up something, and we have staff joining the class from NSU, from the new unit, and then from pediatric, the H2 when units are usually taken care of, and then you also have some people from the ER and some people from the emergency also, because they see newborns as soon as they come. So we've tried to have staff as many as of them join, but I can see that maybe they will come in due time. Well, it should take 4 months to use. And Dr. Srijana is on leave, but she should be here tomorrow. If not tomorrow, she'll be here the after tomorrow. Dr. Pradeep is here. We have circulated this roster. I have given it to all the units. So, all of them know what is going to happen. So we circulated this roster already, and I hope the staff get good things out of it, and we will be in and out. And I was just thinking, you know, like after you finish your lectures, that maybe we will take till 10 o'clock or something.
The lecture?
Yeah.
It's
Maybe till 10.
10.
Maybe they will also need a short break, and we can have tea. It's cold, so we can have tea, and then you can start your interaction. Yes? Maybe we can do that, and then in the afternoon we'll have lunch. Is that okay?
Yes. Continue our teaching. Basically, the lecture are going to be quite similar. I don't know if some of you have heard them already. We'll try to go from more theoretical more practical lectures. I'll show you videos, especially at the end. And on the last day, we have this afternoon of interaction with staff, which I think is an important part where you can ask questions and make plans on how to continue to improve developmental care. So this time we're very lucky. We have 4 nurses. So 2 from Geneva, Roxane that you might have already met, Mireille, who is a special nurse. Well, Mireille is actually retired, but she was one of the 2 nurses that really implemented and started developmental care in Geneva 25 years ago. I was a baby. And of course, Shilou that you might have seen last year, and Renuka, our videographer, and Dino, the expert, which came last time. So they're gonna help to do really the practical. That's why they're gonna go directly to the NICU for this stuff.
Okay.
Je t'ai vu, j'ai fait mal mes soins. C'est vraiment important de valider.
So अहिले चाहिँ हामी डिपार्टमेन्टतिर छौँ. नमस्ते दिदी. हेलो. तिम्रो मार्क्स होला त? She's our next referral nurse to be. So चिसो भएको छ आजको वेदर. बस. सो यहाँ सबैजना हाम्रो सिस्टर्सहरू हिँडिराख्नुहुन्छ टिएचमा. हामी चिसो चिसो मौसममा हिँडिरहेछौँ. मेरो धरानमा लागिरहेको खोकीसोकी सब निको भयो यहाँको चिसो. अब भने हामी नियोनेटल वार्डतिर जाँदैछौँ. हामीले बिहान एनआइसीमा गऱ्यौँ, त्यसपछि यता नर्सरी आफ्टर लन्च, अनि त्यसपछि हामी नियोनेटल वार्ड जाँदैछौँ. यहाँबाट चाहिँ टियुटिएच चाहिँ यस्तो देखिँदो रहेछ. पिडियाट्रिक्स भित्र चाहिँ एनआइसियु यहाँभित्र पर्ने रहेछ.
We cared in that unit as due. She showed us how to position the baby in the cocoon. But that is okay for the sleeping child, sleeping baby. But if the baby is very much irritated, what should we do?
You do.
We console first and leave them with mother. So, are there anything we can do?
What I think is first use the mother, because she's probably the best person to carry the baby. Hands to face, touching the feet. And I know that here you tend to, which probably doesn't help the baby. What else?
The position and leg. Speak to the baby.
Yeah.
The mother speak.
You can sing also.
Sing.
Not in a loud voice, but yeah, mumbling. Sing. Music therapy. Soothing sound.
Voice is quite
Effective.
And, yeah. And there's more and more scientific research on that, showing that the voice is not just a popular belief. It's also that there's some really
Reason behind
clinical
rational.
trial looking at voice of mother music that shows better well-being of the baby. What did I tell you?
different.
It's the same everywhere, don't worry.
Worldwide.
Even in Geneva, in Switzerland, there's not enough nurses.
Yeah, there's a scarcity of nurses everywhere, isn't it?
Yes, so we all have the same problem. But you have one advantage, and everybody actually, even in internal medicine, you have the parents.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
And that's something you have to use. You have to learn how to use the parents. That's something that has to be integrated, but I always say parents are free hands, and they're very happy to be there. Taking care of the baby,
Yeah.
this time you gain trying to get him to recover because he's hyper excitable or hyper vigilant or crying or things like that. If you put it together, it's probably the same amount of time. You will spend more time doing the care, but after the baby will be well, and you can go and do something else. So it looks like long, and you have to look at the baby and stop when he's like the very fragile baby in the isolation room, and then you really have to take time just looking at his saturation. That not for you, and especially these very, well, this is a difficult baby on the nursing side, on the medical side. So, but you have to take time to give him the best chance, and also give him time during the care to recover. Told the nurse, you stay there and you hold the baby, you contain the baby, you keep him in a symmetrical position, not just the baby goes. So painful procedure or any procedure, you have to just contain the baby. You don't dip it in sugar or in mother's milk. The second one is to be able, and this is a very important one, to transmit that to the others.
इन्डिभिजुअली भिडियो प्ले गर्यो तपाईँले प्रेजेन्ट गर्यो प्रेजेन्ट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईँले के देख्नुभयो त्यो भिडियोमा के थियो बच्चा कस्तो थियो के देख्नुहुन्छ अब्जर्भ गरेर एक्सप्लेन गर्दै गर्दै तपाईँले केयरमा के भन्नुभयो त्यो एउटा पार्ट हुन्छ अर्को पार्ट भनेको तपाईँले जुन त्यो केयर गर्नुहुन्छ नि त्यो बेड साइडमा त्यो केयरको एक्सप्लेनेसन हामीसँग बसेर क्वेसन आन्सर जवाब हुन्छ एकैछिन अनि अर्को फर्स्ट पार्ट भनेको एउटा भिडियो यो तपाईँले केयर गर्ने हो त्यसको त्यो सके पछाडि एउटा क्लासमा तपाईँलाई राखेर या हामी बसेर क्वेसन आन्सर हुन्छ त्यस पछाडि अर्को पार्टको भिडियो प्रेजेन्टेसन एक्सप्लेनेसन गर्ने
How's today's training?
What?
How's today's training?
Very good training. Very good teacher.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, for today, it's over.
Done.
We are done.
That's the day one.
Day one and update number 2. So, like, share, and subscribe. At last.